Hello students, welcome to the ScannerAdda channel. Congratulations on purchasing the scanner for CA Foundation Paper 2 Business Laws. So before we start exploring the features of this book, there's something important you need to do. On the first page, you'll find a colored guide that explains how to register on the companion.ScannerAdda website. Follow these simple steps to access the free digital content, including free mock tests. First, scan the QR code provided. This will open a link to ScannerAdda.com. Once there, you'll need to register by entering your name, email, mobile number, password, and date of birth. After successfully registering, log in with your ID and password and then go to My Book section and enter the ISBN number of your book. Once you've completed this process, you'll gain access to the digital content and start enjoying its benefits. After registering, I recommend checking out page 5 for the detailed contents of the book and page 7 for the complete syllabus. These will give you a clear overview of what's covered in the book. Now, let's dive into the key features of your scanner book that will help you in your exam preparation. Number 1, detailed content. You'll find this on page number 11. It explains the type of questions provided in the book like self-study questions, short practice questions, long practice questions, objective questions, short notes, distinguish between, descriptive questions, and case-based questions. Solving these will give you a strong understanding of each topic. Additionally, we have organized the book content into 2 columns. A, chapter names, you can easily locate which chapter you're studying, and B, page numbers for all question types. This column not only shows the different question types, but also helps you quickly navigate to the pages where these different types of questions are listed for each chapter. Number 2, revision tracker. On page number 16, you'll find the revision tracker, which allows you to keep a track of your preparation. You can note down the chapter, page number, and how many times you've revised it. Number 3, chapter marks trend graph. On page number 17, there's a line chart showing the importance of each chapter over the years based on marks distribution. This will help you focus on the right chapters. For example, high weightage chapters, focus on chapter 6, frequent peaks above 100 marks, prioritize high weight chapters. Number 4, chapter-wise marks analysis. You'll see this feature from page 18. It shows the attempts in which each chapter appeared and the marks associated with them, giving you a clear idea of which chapters to prioritize. Example, Unpaid Seller, chapter 3.4, total 37 marks, quick review of low weight chapters and high weight chapters on the basis of exam. Number 5, chapter-wise compulsory questions. Page 19 highlights the compulsory questions asked in different attempts from each chapter and the marks they carried. For example, 2.7 Contract of Indemnity and Guarantee appeared in July 21 for 4 marks, November 22 for 4 marks, and June 24 for 7 marks, totaling 15 marks with a 1.5 average per attempt. Number 6, paper trend analysis. From page number 20, you'll find a detailed analysis of the entire question papers from the last 4 attempts showing which chapters were covered in each paper. For example, year/month, December 22, question number 1B. Chapter 6, the Companies Act 2013, marks 4, question types, descriptive question, reference, see page 660 for details. For focus on frequently tested chapters for better exam preparation. Number 7, star rating of chapters. Finally, on page 24, you'll find star ratings for each chapter based on the maximum marks asked, the number of attempts, and compulsory questions. This helps you understand which chapters are most important. These features are designed to make your preparation more efficient and targeted. Make sure to use them to plan your study effectively and track your progress. I'm confident that with the right strategy, you'll look great in your CA Foundation exams. All the best.